We'll guide you through how to use keyframes in DaVinci Resolve to bring your video projects to life with dynamic animations. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're in the Edit It page. Then, drag your video clip onto the timeline to get started. You'll want to find the Inspector panel, typically located on the top right of the interface. Once there, you'll see various options for adjusting clip properties, like position, zoom, and rotation. To use keyframes, decide which property you want to animate. Let's say you want to animate the scale of your clip. Find the Zoom section in the inspector, and click the small diamond icon next to the property. This icon is your keyframe toggle. Now, move the playhead to the point in the timeline where you want the animation to start and click the diamond to add a keyframe. Adjust the scale slider to your desired value. Then, move the playhead to a different point where you want the animation to end, and adjust the scale again. A new keyframe will automatically be added. You can fine-tune the animation by dragging the keyframes in the timeline to adjust their timing. To see your animation, play back the clip, and you'll notice the change from one keyframe to the next. If you need to remove a keyframe, simply click on it in the timeline and press the Delete key. Using keyframes can also apply to other properties like opacity or position, offering endless creative possibilities. Experiment with different properties to see what works best for your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.